Today let us know about the quadrilaterals. When the four non-collinear points are joined together, we get a quadrilateral. Sum of all the four angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Types of quadrilaterals: square, rectangle, diamond, kite, parallelogram, trapezium, isosceles trapezium are different types of quadrilaterals. Let us know about the square. Four vertices, four sides and four angles. All the sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Angle between the two sides is 90 degree. When we draw diagonal, we get four similar right angled triangles. Angle between the diagonal is 90 degree. Rectangle is also a quadrilateral made up of four vertices, four sides and four angles. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Angle between the sides is 90 degree. Diagonals divide the rectangle into two pair of similar triangles. Angle between the diagonals is not equal to 90 degree. Let us know about the parallelogram. Parallelogram is also a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. Angle between the sides is not equal to 90 degree. When we draw a diagonal, it divides the parallelogram into one pair of similar triangle. When we draw two diagonals, they bisect each other and divide the parallelogram into two pair of similar triangle. Opposite angles are equal to each other. Let us know about the kite. Kite is made up of four sides and four angles. Two pair of sides are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Two diagonals divide the kite into two pair of similar right angled triangles. One pair of angle is equal. Let us know about the diamond. All the sides in the diamond are equal and angle between the sides is equal to 90 degree. When we draw a diagonal, it divides the diamond into two right angled similar triangles. Angle between the diagonal is 90 degree and angle between the sides is equal to 90 degree. Let us know about the trapezium. In one type of trapezium, two angles are equal to 90 degree. One pair of sides are parallel to each other. When we draw diagonals, we won't get any similar triangles. Let us know about the isosceles trapezium. In isosceles trapezium, one pair of parallel sides are there. Non-parallel sides are equal. When we draw diagonals, we get one pair of similar triangle. We studied about all the types of quadrilaterals.